Hey y'all, and welcome to my mini twist tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys today how I like to do mini twists. This is hands down one of my favorite protective styles. It's really easy, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to start off with the Mael Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner, the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Curl Stretch Pudding, and then Natural Eclipse Pure Avocado Oil. So I like to do the LCL method, meaning that I use a leave-in, then a curling cream, and then an oil. I'll use the leave-in for moisturizing my hair, the curling cream to define my curls, and then the oil just to seal in all that moisture. So I just find this helps my hair last the best over time and just makes my twists look really good. As you can tell, my parts are really not that perfect, but I really don't care that much, especially in the back. You're really not going to see it by the end of it because I'm going to have so many twists in my hair anyway. And then I usually just try a little bit harder in the front since that's what most people can see really well. So I'm going to show you guys how I do one twist in real time, just so y'all can see step by step. So this is me applying the leave-in right now. And when it comes to doing mini twists, it's really important to keep your hair moisturized. So I really do take my time with applying products to each twist that I'm going to do. So here, as you can see, I'm just making sure that each strand is getting love and that I'm not leaving any strands behind when it comes to products and what I'm putting on it. And then next, I'm about to apply the curl stretch pudding. And I'm also kind of heavy-handed too, but my hair really does like cream products and thick products. So I just know that about my hair. So I just make sure to, give it what it needs. So as you can see here, I'm also using my fingers to just finger detangle completely. Another important thing about twisting is that you want to have the strand completely detangled through. It makes the takedown process a lot easier and your twists turn out much better. So making sure that you are just detangling from root to tip, whether it's finger detangling or using a comb or brush of your choice. And now here, I'm just applying the oil to seal in the moisture from the products I had applied earlier. I like avocado oil. My hair also really likes extra virgin olive oil. So again, you can just kind of use an oil of your choice. And then we just begin twisting. Just take two sections of that hair and just begin twisting all the way down. And then I always just like to make sure that I am curling the ends well. And if there's some extra product on my fingers, I like to just add that there as well because the ends are the oldest part of your hair. So you want to just make sure that they're moisturized well.
Got that sauce in it. Fire, 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 fire. Resin got that sauce in it. Fire, 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 fire. Rice and got that sauce in it. Fire, 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 fire.
And this is the final look. This took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete, but I do have a lot of twists in my hair, and again, I really do think that this is worth it. I wore these twists out for about a week, and then I took them down and wore it as a twist out for another week. So you kind of get a 2-in-1 style with mini twists. They're also just a great and simple protective style to do. I can just praise mini twists all day long, and I do credit them for how my hair is a little bit healthier now than it was a few months ago. I ended up trimming some of my ends, so y'all see it from the back, but I ended up trimming some of my ends that you can see needed some help. But another good thing about twists is you can really tell when you need a trim. But thank you guys for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.